Welcome to Ireland, a land shaped by the elements, sculpted by time, and brimming with stories. From towering cliffs that plunge into the wild Atlantic to ancient stones whispering secrets of a forgotten past, this island nation offers a feast for the senses. Get ready to lose yourself in the rolling green hills, the vibrant culture, and the warm hospitality that has captivated hearts for generations. Here on the edge of County Clare, the land ends not with a whimper, but with a roar. These are the cliffs of Moher, standing as guardians against the relentless Atlantic Ocean. From their highest point, nearly 700 feet above the churning sea, the view is breathtaking. To the west, the vast expanse of the Atlantic stretches towards the horizon, while to the south, the Aran Islands rise from the water like slumbering giants. This is a landscape that stirs the soul, a symphony of sight and sound that resonates deep within. We now journey to the heart of Ireland's capital city, Dublin, where a majestic fortress stands as a silent witness to centuries of history. Dublin Castle, with its imposing facade and sturdy walls, has served many masters, its stones whispering tales of conquest, rebellion, and transformation. From its foundations laid by the Vikings in the 10th century, to its role as the seat of British power in Ireland, the castle has borne witness to pivotal moments that have shaped the nation's destiny. Today, Dublin Castle stands not as a symbol of oppression, but as a testament to Ireland's resilience and enduring spirit. Prepare to be captivated by the Ring of Kerry, a scenic route that winds its way through some of Ireland's most breathtaking landscapes. Here, emerald green hills roll down to meet the wild Atlantic, their slopes dotted with the remnants of ancient stone forts and the ruins of abbeys. The road twists and turns, revealing hidden coves and sandy beaches where the air is thick with the scent of salt and seaweed. Fishing villages with their brightly painted houses cling to the coastline, a testament to the enduring bond between the Irish people and the sea. This is a place of unspoiled beauty, where time seems to stand still. Journey with us now to the heart of the Boyne Valley, a place where the mists of time conceal secrets from an era long past. Here lies Newgrange, a monument older than the pyramids of Egypt, a testament to the ingenuity and spiritual depth of Ireland's ancient inhabitants. This vast circular mound, built from massive stones and earth, holds within it a passage and chamber aligned with the winter solstice sunrise. As the first rays of the sun pierce the darkness on that shortest of days, the chamber is bathed in a golden light, a spectacle that has captivated visitors for millennia. We arrive now in Galway, a city on Ireland's west coast where the spirit of the ancient Celts thrives alongside a vibrant modern energy. Known for its lively arts scene, Galway is a city that embraces creativity in all its forms. The streets are alive with music, from traditional Irish sessions in cosy pubs to the soaring melodies of the Galway International Arts Festival. Galway is a city that knows how to celebrate, a place where laughter and music fill the air, and the warmth of the welcome will stay with you long after you've left its charming embrace. And no exploration of Ireland would be complete without acknowledging the profound impact of its literary giants. William Butler Yeats, a son of Ireland, captured the soul of his homeland in verses that resonated with the rhythm of the ancient Celts. Born in Dublin, Yeats found endless inspiration in the landscapes of his youth, from the rolling hills of Sligo to the mystical beauty of the Isle of Innisfree. His words, imbued with a deep love for his country and its people, gave voice to the struggles and triumphs of a nation. Through his poetry and plays, Yeats explored themes of Irish identity, mythology, and the enduring power of the human spirit. On the rugged north coast of Antrim, we encounter a landscape unlike any other, a place where legend and geology collide. The Giant's Causeway, a sprawling expanse of hexagonal basalt columns, appears as if crafted by the hands of giants, as if plucked from the pages of a Celtic myth. Legend tells of the mighty warrior Finn MacCool, who built this causeway as a bridge to Scotland to confront his rival, the giant Benandonna. While the scientific explanation lies in the cooling and contraction of lava millions of years ago, the mythical tale adds a layer of magic and wonder to this natural marvel. The Giant's Causeway is a testament to the power of nature to inspire awe and ignite the imagination. From the world of myth and legend, we turn our attention to another giant of Irish literature, James Joyce, a writer who revolutionized the way we see the world through words. Born in Dublin in 1882, Joyce's literary journey would take him far from his homeland, but the city of his birth would forever be etched in his heart and immortalized in his writing. His groundbreaking novel, Ulysses, set on a single day in Dublin, is a masterpiece of modernist literature, a stream of consciousness that delves into the inner lives of its characters with unparalleled depth and complexity. Joyce's impact on the world of literature is undeniable, his innovative use of language and exploration of the human psyche continuing to inspire and challenge readers to this day. Our journey takes us now to County Tipperary, to a place where history and legend intertwine amidst a landscape of haunting beauty. Rising dramatically from the Golden Vale, the Rock of Cashel stands as a testament to Ireland's rich and tumultuous past. This collection of medieval buildings, perched atop a limestone outcrop, has served as a royal fortress, a seat of religious power, and a symbol of Irish identity for over 1,000 years. Legend tells of St. Patrick himself, converting the King of Munster to Christianity on this very spot in the 5th century. Wander through the ruins of the cathedral, marvel at the intricate carvings of Cormac's Chapel, and imagine the echoes of ancient ceremonies and royal pronouncements that once resonated through these hallowed halls. As our journey nears its end, we find ourselves drawn to the embrace of nature, to the heart of the Wicklow Mountains, known affectionately as the Garden of Ireland. Here, rolling hills cloaked in emerald green rise to meet granite peaks, their slopes etched with cascading waterfalls and sparkling streams. This is a landscape that beckons exploration, a paradise for hikers, cyclists, and nature enthusiasts. The Wicklow Mountains are a reminder that even in a world increasingly dominated by the hustle and bustle of modern life, there are still places where one can find peace, tranquility, and a deep connection to the natural world. As our journey through the Emerald Isle draws to a close, we bid farewell to its enchanting landscapes, its rich history, and its warm-hearted people. But the memories we've made, the stories we've heard, and the spirit of Ireland will stay with us long after we've left its shores. From the rugged beauty of the cliffs of Moher to the ancient mysteries of Newgrange, from the vibrant culture of Galway to the literary legacy of Yeats and Joyce, Ireland has woven its magic around us. Until next time, may the road rise to meet you, may the wind be always at your back, and may the sun shine warm upon your face. Please subscribe, like, and follow for more amazing content.